Finding yourself locked out of your Chase account can feel like a financial emergency. But don't worry, this video will guide you through the steps to get your account back on track. Step 1. Contact Chase customer service immediately. You can find their number on the official Chase website or on the back of any Chase card you might have. Explain your situation calmly and clearly. Be prepared to provide your account number, social security number, and any other identifying information they request to verify your identity. Next, gather all relevant documentation. This includes your driver's license or other government's ID, any previous bank statements from Chase, and any letters or emails you've received from Chase regarding the account closure. Having these documents ready will speed up the process. If requested, write a formal letter to Chase outlining the reason for the account closure and why you believe it should be reinstated. Be polite and professional, and address any specific concerns they raised in their communication with you. Clearly state that you are requesting the account to be reopened. Be prepared to address any underlying issues. Account closures often happen due to negative balances, suspected fraud, or violations of Chase's terms and conditions. Check your credit report for any discrepancies and be ready to explain any unusual activity on your account. If possible, visit a local Chase branch. Speaking with a branch manager in person can sometimes be more effective than dealing with customer service over the phone. They may have more insight into your specific situation and be able to expedite the reinstatement process. Finally, be patient. The account reinstatement process can take time, so follow up regularly with Chase and provide any additional information they request promptly. With persistence and a clear understanding of the situation, you can significantly increase your chances of getting your Chase account back. Good luck!